Hi, thank you very much for being here. Today in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to change the order number format in your Shopify store. Let's come to the computer screen. Here you will find an option orders. Click it. Here we go. Now here you will find order number. By default, this order number cannot be changed. However, we can change its format. Let's do it. You have to click setting. In setting, you have to go to store detail. Scroll down a little bit and here you will find your order ID will appear as like. For example, you are going to put your store code here like I'm going to put X and you can put something like that here 2023. So this will be the next order number. So in this way you can easily change the prefix and suffix of your order number, or you can customize your order number according to your requirements. After setting it up, you have to save this. Let me go to orders. Actually, it's not working here. Why? Because old order number will not be changed. If from now, if someone order, then his order number will be according to our new order number. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.